Welcome to my channel once again. I'm so glad to come your way. Today we are making corned beef jollof rice, and these are the ingredients I will need. I have my blended tomatoes, my tomato paste, my oil, and also my corned beef, my diced onion, and also my spices I'll be using, my blended garlic and ginger, and also my blended pepper together with my rice. So let's get started. With my pot on fire, I'm going to add oil and also add my onion. I will let it fry for some minutes before adding my bay leaf and also my blended garlic and ginger. Warm greetings to you all for always taking your time to watch every video I post. I do appreciate it a lot, and if you are new to the channel, please remember to subscribe so that you can watch every video I post, and also click on the bell button to get notified every time I post a video. So please stay tuned and let's continue. I'm adding the tomato paste. I will leave this on the fire for some minutes. I will then add my blended pepper and my blended tomatoes to it. This will be on the fire for additional minutes before adding the rest of the ingredients. After 20 minutes, my stew is doing so well, and it's time for me to add my corned beef, and I'll add just some of it, and also I will add the rest of the corned beef when the rice is ready. It's time for me to add my spices to the stew. I have some curry, some nutmeg, black and white pepper. I also have some jollof seasoning. So I'll just give it a quick stir and let it be on the fire for some more minutes before adding my salt and my rice. After adding my spices, I'm also going to add some salt to taste. And guys, I can tell you the aroma alone is something else. I really can't wait for this jollof. So I'm adding my rice, which I have already washed. After adding my rice to the stew, I'm going to stir it and make sure everything is well mixed with the stew together. And also my stew is well salted, but you can go ahead and taste it. If you feel the need to add, just add to your taste. So I just add a quarter cup of water, and this is what I will use to cook the jollof. So this is going to be on the fire for some minutes before checking on it again. After the first 10 minutes, I'm going to give it a quick stir and cover it again. And also I will repeat this process until I cover it with the foil. After 20 minutes, the jollof rice is ready, and I really love the outcome. It came out so perfectly well. So I'm going to add the rest of my corned beef and also add some vegetable, which is optional. So I'm just mix them together and cover it for just a few minutes. After few seconds, my rice is ready. Just look at all this, and I'm so happy it came out so perfectly. I hope you give this a try, and if you are watching this video and not yet subscribed, please do click on the subscribe button, like and share this video, and also comment. And to my old returning subscriber, I say thank you for always watching. Till I come your way, see you in my next video, and peace be with you.